21,
Bingo!
Two cards, two basketballs, one up front.
Bingo, bingo. Kapitan ba sila?
Seven, that's one.
Parang naman mo.
64069.
That's two.
Yan ba yung binigay ko sa'yo?
Hindi.
Yan yung binigay
Ay,
ko
sir,
sa'yo.
ito.
Yan ano?
Yan naman mura dito isa.
Yan yung binigay ko sa'yo?
Aha. Yung isa po, wedding dun eh. Akin ito eh, ilan ba ito?
Apat.
Anim na number.
That's three.
Shit,
Tatlo.
Three good winners.
it's okay.
Are there any others? Any others? If not, we are closing this game. Three good winners. Two up front and one in the middle. Those winners are split $500.
Ayun, last to darling.
Akala ko masoso ko lang. Kasi Leonard dito eh. Una eh.
Yung binigay ko
Ito na una. Sumunod ito. Ito yung last na namoro. Ito yung namoro nakaagad.
Hindi pa lang nakatayo eh.
Your next game up.
Hindi, akin lang parang
Looking for your 456 round.
Pilit ko lang siya. Hindi ko siya pinapansin.
First
Wala
round
kita
will be
pinapansin
round.
siya. Maliit lang niya.
Your first good number, you want number 38. Magkano number 79.
Okay, ito ito. Ako pa. 166. Pwede na. Pandagdag.
Willie has the last 15 of that California gold in his hand. $2,000 game.
Claim it. Claim it.
Maria has the last 30 of that Island Splash. $1,500.
Nanalo ko sa California. Nanalo ko sa
Last call, last call.
No, nandito si Jaden eh,
Ha?
namumura na eh.
Ha?
Nung punta rito eh, namumura na ito eh. Namumura na. Si Jaden. Namumura na ito eh. Tagal lang lumabas eh.
How are you gonna double it up?
California Gold.